Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on POCO F5 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here let's try to find the Notify Buddy. It's an app that allows us to get this custom LED lamp notifications. When it's ready, click on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From there you can start using this app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can enable any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In Active there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings you can customize a LED lamp with different size, color, shape or a placement on the screen. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp, and it should be right here by the default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.